Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Sons TV, y'all. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. You feel me? For y'all niggas, no doubt. As y'all boys can see, we behind the wheel of the big Hellcat. Y'all see that big SRT on the back of that bit. But anywho, we back at it again with another video. You feel me? So today, if y'all don't know, is the Magic City Classics in Alabama. You feel me? So your boy is headed to the tire shop to get some tires. And I was like, why not pick up the camera, give y'all boys a little POV while we head to the tire shop so we can get, you feel me, tired up, no doubt. I do want to say, I wish it was a little bit more sunnier outside. It looked kind of cloudy. It's not supposed to rain today, you feel me? I do got the hood off, you feel me? So if it do rain, nigga, we doomed. But like I said, before I left the house, I checked the weather forecast. My nigga said it ain't supposed to rain at all, you feel me? So with that being said, let's get this video to 200 likes, you feel me? This nigga need to hurry up across the road. I know you hit that supercharger, boy. I ain't gonna lie, the police is hot. You feel me? I'm pretty sure they got every police working today. No doubt. Man, where I go? I go over here. The car sounded good though. I know yesterday I had to go to the Dodge dealership and get my transmission pan fixed. You feel me? Because whoever replaced my transmission pan, they had broke off 2 bolts, and I guess the what is called the little gasket had got loose, and it was leaking a lot of transmission fluid. Well, not a lot, but it was leaking transmission fluid. So I had to get that fixed so that I wouldn't blow my transmission up. So we all good to go with that. But now, you feel me, your boy got to get some tires fast. I really need front tires too, but we ain't worried about that right now. Oh God. Okay. That bitch sound like a military jet, no cap. But yeah, I'm gonna pull up at the tire shop, you feel me? I'm probably gonna slide my car there and get my girl to record it, you feel me? I know y'all both wanna see me cut up at the tire shop a little bit, cause I need to finish these tires off anyway. You feel me? We gonna get every last little bit of life out the tires on everything. Gonna definitely get our money's worth every trip, nigga. And no, dumb niggas, that's not full throttle. So don't be in the comments talking about that bitch slow. And it's singing too. I know y'all hear that. But I'm trying to figure out what all I want to do. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna record multiple videos today for y'all. You feel me? I'm trying to keep our boys stacked on content. Because I ain't gonna lie, lately I haven't been posting a lot of like videos. I've been doing a lot of shorts. They have been going up. I'm probably gonna give me some more of them in today for y'all. Cause y'all really have been enjoying the shorts. Let's see how far we got. We got 5 more minutes left. Well, it might be less than that. I'm gonna put y'all boys on game. Like, the people at this tire shop, bro, they literally be charging me like $25 a tire, bro. You can't beat that. For some slime tires on everything. You gotta bully your way in traffic. You feel me? Niggas ain't gonna let you over, so you gotta force yourself over. Like this. Now that fuck nigga behind me, he mad, but he ain't gonna say shit, cause we in the cat. They ain't got no choice but not to say nothing on phone. I think I need to get over one more. Let's see. Yeah, we had to get by the 18-wheeler. You don't never wanna, when you switch your lanes, you don't wanna get hit by no 18-wheeler. I mean, you probably could, cause I think you can get a big ass check if an 18-wheeler hit you. That's called a suicide check. You might live, you might die. But if you do live, nigga, you gonna have a good ass check from getting hit by an 18-wheeler. No doubt. Come on, y'all. Let me beat this light. I don't feel like waiting no red light. See, he changing the tires on his bike. Oh, shit. He changing the tires on his bike. See, he on the same type of time I'm on. You gotta get these tires right for the classic. The echo crazy, though. We real close to the tire shop now. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like right down there where my finger is pointing. You feel me? That's the tire shop that we going to. And they got the best deals on tires. What the oh, that don't scare me. I thought that was the damn police siren. I would say not again. I guess that's one of the Mexican guys. Let me see how much tire I got left to see if I can get them boys a little show. That's how you get an extra discount on y'all tires. Don't say I ain't never put y'all niggas on no count. Ball. You wanna record this? Like that, them boys got us right for the $75 for the two. No doubt. Don't say I ain't never put y'all niggas on. Alright guys, so we're back on road. You feel me? We got the new tires, you feel me? So now I can finish up this POV for y'all niggas. No cap. I'm telling y'all better watch the channel. I be giving y'all boys the sauce on everything. I told you, you pull up, goddamn. They gotta know you. Like, you gotta keep coming back there. You gotta show them that you're a loyal customer. Then, whenever you finna buy some more tires, just finish the ones you got off on their parking lot. You're not gonna go to jail because it's private property. You feel me? You slide your car, you get them boys a show, and then they gonna show you a discount, nigga. Then that's when you gonna come back to my comment section and say, thank you, Sean, for teaching me how to get tires for the low. And I'm like, shit, you're welcome, twin. Real nigga, Thanksgiving come up. Be thankful that y'all got me in y'all life who give y'all boys content and show y'all boys how to get tires for cheap. No doubt. The thing that these niggas don't do, and I forgot to tell them, is balance the damn tires. Now my steering wheel's shaking when I get up to 80 miles per hour. I forgot. You do have to tell them to balance the tires or they won't, because they're a little lazy. Now look at these niggas shit. Them boys shit fucked up. But they still riding. It's the classics, goddamn. That's what you're supposed to do. Yeah, that whine too loud. No doubt. Oh, hold on, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I had to hang up the phone because my partner was supposed to be meeting me at the tire shop, but I got carried away. My ass left. And I was like, damn, that nigga was still headed there. That nigga probably pissed. That's the ADHD. That shit be kicking my ass. I ain't gonna cap. Alright, y'all, while I'm at it, I might as well just give y'all boys a walk around of the lineup that we got over at that bitch, you feel me? We got Scat Pack, we got that motherfucking supercharged Jaguar, you feel me? We got my boy Scat, you feel me? We got a Hellcat, Scat Pack, we got my Hellcat, we got another Hellcat. It's a lot of supercharged shit out here. Scat, another Scat. We got that motherfucking Batmobile out in the cut. You feel me? We got that cat right here. They're my favorite one on everything. That boy got the gold supercharger lid. Hey, let me know if y'all think I should paint my shit. You feel me? Cause that shit hard as fuck, no cap. But y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that post notification bell. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off before I get copyrighted because of the music, no doubt.